Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So we are going to go direct to the characteristics of the members of Kingdom Monera. And the first characteristic, bacteria, they are very small organisms. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. They are microscopic. They can only be seen with the aid of a microscope. So that means they are very, very tiny. So one of the characteristics, we say that they are unicellular. They are unicellular. Unicellular simply means they are single-celled. They are single-celled. That's why we cannot see the bacteria when they are in our blood. But if a blood sample is taken, put on a microscope slide, and then examined, then you can be able to see the bacteria. So one of the characteristics is that they are unicellular or they are single-celled. Number two is that the members of Kingdom Monera, that's the bacteria, they have a cell wall. They have a cell wall, but not made of cellulose. We know that we learned the cell wall in Form 1 topic on the cell structure, whereby we saw the cell wall. And we said that, for example, in a plant cell, the cell wall is made of cellulose. But in the case of bacteria, the bacteria have a cell wall, but not made of cellulose. So there's something that you need to note, that that cell wall is not made of cellulose. The other characteristic of Kingdom Monera, and the most important one, is that they are prokaryotic. What does the word prokaryotic mean? The word prokaryotic means that they lack a nuclear membrane. They have a nucleus, but that nucleus is not enclosed by a nuclear membrane. So prokaryotic means that they lack a nuclear membrane.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.